Witness the sacred environment and holy beauty of Samdingling Monastery. Here, on December 15, 2023, the gold plating of Taurus statues began with a puja by lamas at Samdingling Monastery. We teamed up with some of the best gold plating artists to work on the statues. Swiftly and miraculously, auspicious clouds gather above the monastery, which will witness across the whole city of Kathmandu. After 1 week, 20 statues had been plated with gold, their faces and bodies shimmering gloriously. When it came to the goddess countenance, the best face painting artists were brought in to bring out the most beautiful and exquisite facial features of the Taurus. This phase was completed in just 2 weeks, far exceeding the original time frame of 2 months. The Taurus have truly demonstrated the power to remove all obstacles and create miracles. Thank you to all Taurus sponsors for joining this Sangha and giving us the best of yourselves. May you all benefit from the compassion and gratitude of our beautiful Taurus.